Hello everyone, this is Dr. Krupa Savda. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Forensic Medicine by Dr. Krup, and our today's topic of discussion is Jangam Visa Adhisthana. So this is a very important topic. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and sharing, and if you want more video links, you can visit the description box. So let us see the sloka first. Jangamasya Vishayoktani Adhishthanani Shodasa Samasena Mayayani Vistarastesu Vakshyate. So from here, particular sloka will start. Tatra Drasti Niswas Dramsta Nakha Mutra Purish Shukra Lala Artava Muk Samdans Vishardita Tundasti Pita Sukha Savani Iti. So the meaning is Acharya Sushruta in the third chapter of Kalpasthana has designated 16 sites for Jangambisha, and they are Drasti, that is sight or vision, Niswas, that is breath, Damstra, that is canine teeth, Nakha means nails, Mutra, that is urine, Purish, that is feces, Sukra, that is semen, Lala, that is saliva, Artava means menstrual blood, Mukhasamdansa means mouth bite, Vishardita. Here in some of the textbook, they have written Visardita as anus, and we can take another meaning as flatus. Tunda, that is beak. Beak means a horny jaw of bird. That is tunda. Asti, that is bone. Pitta, that is bile. Sukha, that is bristles. And Sava, that is cadaver. So once again, let us repeat all 16. Tatra Drasti Nisvas Dramsta Nakha Mutra Purish Sukra Lala Artava Muk Samdans Vishardit Tundasti Pitta Sukha Savani Iti. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe this channel. You can click the bell icon and you can share this video amongst your friends. Thank you.